Go on, get it. Ooh, oh. Y'all wanna know something I hate? Or I ain't gonna say I hate it, something I don't like. My music stopped when I go live. That's why I be doing all my videos on Snap. A little bit of time, like a real little bit of time. I really only got like 6 minutes, but we'll see what happens. I don't know if I be getting nervous on these videos or what, but I be getting the sweating and stuff every time. I don't know why. Oh yeah. I guess I'll start on this side. Swoop on the forehead or not? Or not? We'll see. If I don't like it, I'm gonna change it. Yeah, I know I'm picky though, so I may not like it. Oh. Like that. Hola, everyone. Hope everybody's having a beautiful day and a wonderful new year. Because I am. But that job of 28 doing me right about that. The hell this shit's funny. Excuse my language. It got a little bit. Hey! How you doing? I don't know if I want to walk around with this shit on my forehead like this. Thank you. I don't think I do. But we finna see still. I keep looking in the mirror and forgetting to be on camera with y'all. It ain't working out. I gotta look in the mirror. Yeah. Anyway, I'll worry about that part last. Because it's probably not going to go like that anyway. I think I need to bring it down a little bit more. And then, yeah, that part. I better hurry up. Hello. Yeah, I'm at the move, y'all. Better. Yeah, because I need to look in the mirror. I can't be looking at y'all otherwise. Okay. Maybe this is where my little swirl's gonna be. Right here. And you know that we can freak it. Freak if you want to. Y'all, that's the song that was playing before I went live. That's why I started tripping when it stopped. Well, I ain't started tripping with it. Just made me think about how I just really don't like that. I just really want to hear some music while I'm doing my hair. And keep in mind that I'm an artist. And I'm sensitive about my shit. I swear. I like Erykah. I really like Erykah Badu. I don't know what I'm doing wrong. I'm in a hurry, that's why. That's what I'm doing wrong. Okay. Calm this out. I need a brush. at the shop. Oops, did I spill my little secrets? Did I spill my little secrets? Wasn't even really no secret. Actually. I just wasn't broadcasting the shit. You know what I'm saying? Ooh. There we go. Something like that. It ain't sticking though. Need some water. It ain't gonna work. It ain't even gonna work, y'all. So I ain't even. Because I'm in a hurry. I can't be playing with it like that right now. And my forehead sweating. I'm having a bad itch day. Anyway. Fix it later. Well, that side went fast. We rock khaki with buck jeans. Y'all leave me. Y'all left me. Okay, that's what's up. I ain't tripping. Back to this side. Boom. Stay there. Stay there. This right here. This spot. Right here. Okay. Boop. That. Boop-canator. Boop-canator. Boop. I'm rocking it, I don't care. It's alright. Alright. I have edge control all over my forehead. Okay, I'm ready. She ready. All right, bye.